The lifted over knot with the SSK, slip slip knit, is worked when we want to decrease the stitch to the right of the lifted over knot. So we begin with the first slip of the SSK, and then we're going to work the lifted over knot. So let's take the third stitch on the left needle, pass it over the first two stitches, and we have the first stitch slipped from the SSK. We're going to take the second stitch, which is the first of the lifted over knot. We're going to slip it as if to knit, and we have the slip slip. Let's take both stitches to the left needle and knit them together to the back loop. So we've done the SSK with one stitch before the lifted over knot and the first stitch of the lifted over knot. And now we can just add the yarn over and knit the second stitch of the knot.